Hi everybody, this is another lot of stuff I got from railroad track by my house in New Orleans, and I don't think anybody, this is a section I had never been to, and I went down there and I really found some nice stuff. They had these big old pieces of petrified wood laying right out in the open. Didn't even have to dig for them. They had a little agate and a couple other things out in the open, so I don't think anybody's ever been there. That's some really cool rock. Not all of it's good rocks, but I mean great rocks, but they all polish up well. I got some red jasper, some yellow jasper, red and yellow jasper. Like I said, most of the stuff was laying out in the open on the track and pretty easy to find. Take a closer look at a few pieces of it. This is a big hunk of wood. Really nice. It's another piece here. Got all the holes and stuff in it, we can see. Nice jaspers. The red is crazy on this stuff. I don't know where it came from, but it is really, really red. Nice looking stuff. It really polishes good too. It pops when it polishes. This one here's got some pretty good pattern in it, but probably all that red will be lost whenever I polish it. A lot of the time it just comes right off. And some of these reds are really just crazy red. I guess this is red and yellow jaspers, but they really look pretty good. Nice red on it. You see, they're just stones that look good when they're polished. I don't know what they are exactly, but they polish up sweet. Might be some kind of quartz, I'm not sure. But they're just laying out there on the tracks. This was another one that was laying out in the open. It looks like some kind of little agate. Really cool looking little rock. Might just be a sediment stone, I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. It'll probably look good polished. Then I always pick up these if they got a banding in it or something, or just a discolor contrast. They just look good whenever I polish them up. And some more stones that polish well. You see it sometime when you take that top coat off, they have different colors come popping through, but you never know. It's just a gamble on them. And that's gonna be it. Pretty good little haul for New Orleans, I would say so. Thanks for watching.